Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to talk about what are Twitter lists and how can you use these lists for your business purpose. So it is very important first of all to understand what are Twitter lists. Now what are Twitter lists? So Twitter lists basically allow you to customize, organize and prioritize the tweets you see in your timeline. Let me explain with the help of one example, then the meaning will be more clear to you. Suppose you are following 3 of the competitors on Twitter and you want to see what are they posting or what are they sharing on the Twitter. In this case, what will happen that every tweet shared by your Twitter will land in the timeline of the Twitter. And sometimes it becomes very difficult to keep the track of all the tweets which they are sharing, because in the timeline, tweets of all others to whom I am following will also appear. That way the tweets from my competitors may lost somewhere in large number of tweets that are appearing in the timeline. Now what I want there should be one tab, and whenever I will click on that tab, only the tweets from those people to whom I have specifically added to that tab appears. Now here that tab is called the list. So in case of list, you can add any competitor to the list, and whenever you will click on this list, you will be only able to see the tweets from that very person, competitors or from the brands. So there are many purposes for which you can create the Twitter list. For example, you have a particular topic and you want to see all the tweets related to that topic at a particular place, or there are different brands or persons to whom you admire and you want to see all the tweets from only those people at a specific place. In that case, Twitter lists are very useful. In Twitter, there are 2 forms of Twitter list. One form is you can create your own list and you can add anybody to whom you like to the Twitter list. Second way, you can follow the list created by others. In this case, if somebody has a list and that list is public, then you can easily follow that list and you will be able to see what tweets are appearing in that very list. Now you will be more clear about this Twitter list when I will show you how to create that Twitter list. So let us start that process. Here I am on the timeline of my Twitter and you can see number of tweets are appearing here, but my purpose here is different. The purpose is to create the list. So to create the list, click on this list from the left hand side of your profile, and here you will see few of the list which my Twitter is already suggesting me to follow. It's up to you whether you want to follow or not. I will talk about it in a while. Now see, here we have this list option, and here you will see an option to create a new list. So let us click on this new list. Now you have to simply provide the name and description and add the image to this list so that later on you can recognize it. Let us say I want to create a list of business leaders who have done a remarkable job in their field. So let us say in this case my name of the list is business leaders. So you can give the description here. Let me give the brief description here. Now next you have to make the decision whether you want to keep this list private or you want to share it with others. If you want to keep it private, so just click on this one. If you will uncheck this box, then anybody can follow this list and anybody can join your list. But in this case, it's private. Now here it is just an image. So click on this icon and you will be able to add the image here. Okay. All the information I have provided. Now let me click on this next button. Okay, now the next task is here. We have to add the members to this list. Members may be any brand, any business person, or it may be your competitor as well. So there are 2 options. One, Twitter will automatically suggest you what is the best thing that you can add to this list, or you can search for the people here. For example, I am searching for the business leaders here. Decide that this person you want to add and click on this add button. Let me search one more person here. Click on this add button. So once you finish adding the people to this list, just click on this done button. Now see, my Twitter list is ready here with the name of business leaders, and in this list only the tweets from those persons are available to whom I have added here. This was the first way to add the members to the list. Now what is the second way to add the members to the list here? You just come to your home and search from here to whom you want to add to the particular list here. For example, I want to add this person. Click on these three dots and here you will see add or remove. Click on this add or remove. Now to which list you want to add, select that list and click on this save button. Now see, that person will also be added to my list. Let me check it. So in a short time I will be able to see the tweets from newly added member here as well. Now what is the process if you want to follow the list? Click on this list button and we have few lists suggested by the Twitter, and if you want to see more lists, click on here and you can discover the list from here. Any list which you want, you can just follow from here. So that is another way to be a part of the Twitter list in this case. So this is all about Twitter list. I hope you got the concept. Now try to explore few more lists here to understand this concept better. Thank you.